Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to SpeedTutor, and you know I like to keep you all up to date on the best bundles and savings that you can make across the Unity world. Now Leartes Studios have loads of massive, beautiful environment packs on the Unity asset store, and they've got two bundles. Now there's one on Gumroad, which I do have a discount code for, which gives you 70% off. And the Gumroad pack is all Unity assets across most pipelines, some specific to URP, some specific to HDRP, but they could be used across all pipelines if you converted the textures. And then there's a Humble bundle package with Unity and Unreal assets, and these bundles don't actually overlap, so there is assets you'll find in both. And say you did want to use the Unreal assets in Unity, I've got a video which shows you an asset which helps you export every single asset from Unreal into Unity nice and easily. So I'll go through the 25 pack Unity bundle on Gumroad, which is around 20 environments, and each of these environments have hundreds of assets, textures, and are insanely high quality. So the first one is the Medieval Village Environment Camelot, which is suitable for all three pipelines. The Fantasy Castle environment, supported across all pipelines with 143 different meshes. Got the Siege of Ponthus environment, which is again suitable across all three pipelines with 150 unique models. We've got the Rally Point environment, suitable across all pipelines again with over 250 different models and environments. We've got the Medieval Tavern, which is supported across URP and HDRP, and it's 131 unique models. We've got the Victorian Interior environment, which is supported across all pipelines with 78 different models. We've got the Cyberpunk Nightclub environment, which is supported across all pipelines yet again. The Subway Station environment, the Abandoned and Post-Apocalyptic Hospital, and do be sure to check out Unity's Asset Store sale. And I did make a video on making savings and making your game even faster with some of the best tools out on the store at the moment. I'll put the links down below, and come and support me on Patreon because it really helps me out, and you can get over 225 different scripts, assets and projects, and I've got a link down in the description with a full list too. The Abandoned Swimming Pool, which is Unity HDRP specific, but again you could downgrade these materials. We've got the Steampunk Vintage Interior, supported across URP and HDRP. We've got the Village Bar Interior, which is supported across all of them again. The 1970s New York City Alley, supported across all pipelines. We've got the Medieval Vikings Weapons and Shields, which is a URP specific. And the ones which are HDRP only are the Stylized Cyberpunk Arcade Environment, the Stylized House Interior, the Stylized Tuscany Seaside City, the Stylized Environment, the Stylized Wizard Room, the Stylized Viking Hut, and then we have a few other bunch of assets with over 500 different icons, and we've got a tutorial for low poly modeling trees and other mobile assets. We've got creating in 2D and 3D games in C#. We've got the post-apocalyptic diner sound effects, the Souls-like sound effects, and then there's a coupon code which is a 75% off discount for their website. And if you do want to redeem this pack from Gumroad, you can just click I want this, and then if you navigate to the bottom of the page and you put in a discount code and you just type in the discount code ST70, you will get a 70% reduction on this. And on Humble is the Unreal and Unity Assets Giga Bundle, which is 61 different bundles for around £24 or close to $30 or roughly there. And I'll go through the ones that specifically for Unity. So this is the Military Base Mega Pack, the Steampunk Victorian Mega Pack, the Dark Medieval Mega Pack, the Roman Temple Ruins, the Fighting Stage Environment, the Abandoned Chemistry Classroom, the Cyberpunk Sci-Fi Apartment, the Stylized Christmas Town, the Stylized Country House, Cyberpunk Arcade, Stylized Wizard Room. This one does come with a Souls-like and the Post-Apocalyptic Diner. It comes with various different vehicles which are Unreal Engine based, but you could use them anywhere else. It does come with a Western Town, the Bowling Alley, the Office Corridor, the Retro Police Station sound effects, and the Warzone sound effects as well, with another 75% off coupon. And I will put all these links down below so you don't miss out on any of these bundles with all the details. And if you are in the UK, you can use Top Cashback to get additional money off when you buy on Humble. Check out all the links below with all the savings across the Unity Asset Store and these bundles. Be sure to check out my Patreon to get access to over 225 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. And also a massive thank you to Peter Steiner and everybody else who comes to watch the video, so don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.